Lawyers on Tuesday shunned the directive of the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) to its members to boycott courts nationwide for 2 days. The NBA made the directive over the suspension of Walter Onnoghen as Chief Judge of Nigeria. A correspondent of the news agency of Nigeria, NAN, who visited the Industrial Court complex in Garki, observed that 2 out of the 4 courts had their usual court proceedings, while 1 delivered a ruling. NAN also gathered from the court registrar of one of the courts that did not sit that it was because sitting was not slated in his court for Tuesday. The NAN correspondent was also informed that the judge in another court that did not sit was on vacation. The lawyers were seen in the premises going into the registry to file processes while others were in courtrooms involving in-court proceedings. One of them, who preferred anonymity, told NAN that he came to get a new date for his matter slated for Tuesday, but met his colleagues waiting for proceedings and he joined them. Another lawyer, Steve Imoke, said he was in court as a defense counsel for a matter slated for Tuesday. He said NBA should have gone round the courts to ensure compliance rather than giving a directive without monitoring it. NAN reports that the NBA reached a resolution to boycott courts nationwide on Tuesday and Wednesday, after its National Executive Committee (NEC) meeting on Monday in Abuja. The NBA president, Paul Usoro, who made the announcement, said lawyers reached the agreement to drive home their displeasure over the suspension of the CJN. Mr. Onnoghen was suspended by President Muhammadu Buhari on January 25 over failure to declare his assets as required of every public servant. The president said he acted on an ex parte, not requiring to notify the other party, order granted by the Code of Conduct Tribunal. He has replaced Mr. Onnoghen with Justice Tanka Mohammed as acting CJN, NAN.